Hi everyone, I'm Phil from Phil's Train Layout. Today I just finished up doing a bunch of the final touch details for the arcade. I did mention to you that in the last video that I was going to try to finish this one up. That way I can start finally finishing it and actually get the arcades onto a flooring and actually put it into the building. The only thing I'm going to have left to do on here is decide how I'm going to light it up. I'm kind of deciding on what kind of lights I'm going to use. Maybe I'll just string up a couple LEDs, or maybe one of those little light strips, or something like that. But you know, I'm still kind of deciding on how I'm going to do that. But I thought I'd just take you through some of the little details that I added to it. So we'll start with the side here. So of course the whole building is weathered. I put a mural on the one side, and there's the back. So inside, on top of the windows, I put just little pieces of plastic in there. Just I cut up just a piece of this and just put it in there just to simulate that there's window shades in there, and somebody has all the windows shaded up, just like those up there. So I did end up, I don't know if you can see it very well, but I 3D printed the name of the building. It's 2000 Arcade. That's why I decided to call this one. Just door handles, you know, just drew those on with a marker. And finally got the floor in. See up on there, I've got the ceiling in there. And up on the top, I 3D printed a roof. And what I did is I just put some of the good old jar of gravel from the dollar store. Just put a little bit of that up there and glued it in place exactly the same way you do ballasting. Actually looks pretty good once it's on there. Do a little bit of weathering up there, and you know, works great. I still have those 3 buildings to do there, but I can almost say that my arcade is probably 95% complete now. So all I have to do is decide on the lighting inside of the building. You know, and there's all the posters along the top edge of all the video games. Have the video games in there. Just decide on what lighting I want to use, and that's it. I can pretty much call this one almost complete. So thought I'd give you a quick little update. Thank you for watching. I'll have some more videos coming up shortly in the next coming weeks. I've got a few plans on doing some videos. Take care, everybody. Stay safe.